Hey guys, how's it going and welcome back. In the previous video, we have worked with the signing in feature. So in this video, what I'd like to do is to be able to persist that state. So for instance, if a user decides to relaunch the app again, we want to bring the user to the main part of the app instead of showing him the onboarding flow again. Alright, so as long as the user has not clicked on the lockout button, we want to ensure that the user stays signed in. Alright, so the way we can control this behavior is through the loading view controller. Alright, so if you see with me over here on line 13, we have this variable that says is user logged in, and we have currently set this as false. Okay, so because we have integrated with the Firebase authentication, this will be dynamic. Okay, so the way we can find out is to check against the current user of Firebase. Alright, the way I can do this, maybe I'll just show you to you how I can get this information. So firstly, we want to import Firebase auth. Okay, and now what we want to do is I'm going to make this a computed property. So this will be of type bool, and because this is a computed property, I have to change let into var this time, alright, because it is a variable. And I'm going to return something over here, and what I will return is actually the auth, the current user over here of Firebase. Okay, so if you notice over here, this current user is of type user optional. So what this means is that there is a possibility that current user can be nil. And what this means is that if current user is nil, it means that the user is not logged in. Okay, so what we can do is to check against this value to see whether if it's nil or not. Okay, so I can say that user is logged in if the current user is not nil. Okay, so let me show to you how this will work. So let's run the simulator. Okay, so I believe I was locked out previously. So maybe what I'd like to do firstly is maybe to show you how I can sign up a brand new user first. So I'm going to sign up with Jasmine at example.com, just a totally different name so that we don't have to keep track with the different versions of Kelvin over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And for the password confirmation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I'm going to click on the sign up button, and I should be brought to the main part of the app itself, which is the tab bar controller. Okay, so right now I'm in the home tab over here. So what I'll do right now is to just queue the app. So I'm just going to queue the app, and I'm going to relaunch the app one more time. And with this implementation, I should be brought to the home tab bar again. All right, so this will load, and then I will be brought to the home tab bar over here. Okay, so let's say I decide to log out. And right now, if I'm to rerun the app again, so obviously I'll be brought to the onboarding flow. Alright, so now what I'd like to do is maybe to just log in with one of the emails that I've signed up. So maybe let's go with maybe Kelvin 3. So let's do Kelvin 3 at example.com, password 12345678, and let's click on the login button. So right now I'm in the main part of the app. So let's just maybe queue the app one more time. Okay, and relaunch the app. So this time I should be logged in as Kelvin3 at example.com. Alright guys, I hope this video is helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.